Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bow hair tie. So let's get started and make it with me. First hold yarn like in fingers. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, yarn over and just pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop like this. Just yarn over, pull it through the loop, make the total of 50 chains on top just like this and repeat the same pattern on top. Yarn over and pull it through the loop, yarn over and pull it through the loop and complete the total of 50 chain and reach into the last chain. Here my 50 chains complete, you see clearly. Now insert your hook into the first chain and make slip knot. Make sure your chain will be straight. Insert your hook into the first chain like here. Just insert your hook and pull yarn twice into the two loops. Yarn over, pull it into two loops. You see clearly the both hands are joined together. Next we're gonna make chain 3 on top. Yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it and yarn over, pull it. You see clearly. These 3 chains will be counted as the first double crochet. Now into the next chain we make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. My 3 double crochet ready. Chain 1 on top, skip chain 1 chain on the base part. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. My first space you see clearly. Again we will make 2 more double crochet in next 2 chains. Make 1 more, yarn over the hook, just yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. After 3 double crochet, chain 1 on top, skip 1 chain from the base part, insert your hook into the next chain and make again 3 double crochet stitches. Make 2 more double crochet stitches, 1 more double crochet into the next space like here. You see clearly the 3 double crochet stitches complete. Chain 1 on top, skip 1 chain from the base part and again insert your hook into the next chain and repeat the same pattern until you complete this round and reach into the last. Here my first round complete, you see clearly with 3 double crochet and in one space. Now insert your hook into the first of 3 chain and pull the yarn twice and make slip stitch like this. After making slip stitch we will make the total of 3 chain on top for next row. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over and pull it. These 3 chain will be counted as the first double crochet. Now insert your hook into the next space and make 3 double crochet stitches, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more double crochet stitches, 1 more into the same space below like this. After making 3 double crochet, chain 1 on top, insert your hook into the next space like here, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more double crochet into the same space below like this. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. Chain 1 on top, insert your hook in the next space and just repeat the same pattern. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment, I will answer you. Just repeat the same pattern, 3 double crochet in each space. After making 3 double crochet, chain 1 on top and complete the total of this round and reach into the last space. Here my second round complete, I already reached into the last space. Now you see clearly, first we make the total of 3 chain. These 3 chain will be counted as the first double crochet. Into the last space we will make the more total of 2 double crochet and make the pair of 3 double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet into the same space like this. Now insert your hook into the 3 chains on top and make slip stitch, pull the yarn twice. After making slip stitch, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. just cut it like this. Now pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Pull it tightly. Next we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Make sure you take the inside the part of the pattern. Now insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches, just like this. Now cut the extra yarn with it with the help of scissors, like this. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel.
Like, comment and share.
I already make the same pattern with 100 chain without joining both edges. You see clearly. In this pattern I make the total of 3 rounds and with sharp edges. So subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. Next we will join all the parts together, and also here I am using same color of yarn and also hair tie, you see clearly. Next we will join them together with the help of yarn. For joining all the pieces together, here I am using yarn and wrap it around all the pieces like this. Just wrap it tightly. You see clearly. I will show you clearly in this video. So if you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Just wrap it around it and attach a hair tie into the back side like this. Now just wrap it into the downward and pull it over. Insert your yarn into the hair tie, into the middle of hair tie, and just wrap yarn around it like 40 to 50 times, and just complete this pattern and reach into the last. Here I completely wrap it. Now in the last I make the total of knot into the end. Make 2 times knot into the last like this. Just pull the yarn tightly. Next we will insert your hook into these chains like inside and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches like this. Now in the last we will cut the leftover yarn and make your work neat and clean. Make sure you hide all the stitches, all the leftover stitches in the last. This is the complete and final look. This is the beginner friendly tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. Stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.